Yes, so the formula for distance is x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square and everything under root, right? So let me do this easy question first. What is x1? x1 is given to, I'll put an under root over here first. x1 is 6, x2 is 3 the whole square plus y1 is 4 minus y2 is 1 the whole square. When I solve this, I get, I'll continue it over here a bit. So 3 square plus 3 square, so which makes 9 plus 9, right? So 9 plus 9 under root and under root 18. If somebody can do under root 18 and tell me the answer really quick. .24. So the answer to under root 18 is 4.24, right? So over here the distance for part B should be 4.24. It does not matter, obviously in the question it will be mentioned to you that if the distance is in kilometers or centimeters or whatever it is. But if it says, let's say kilometers, then 4.24 kilometers. If it says centimeters, then 4.24 centimeters, then according to that only. So this would be your distance over here. Let's do one more question. Let me do this one. So if we take values A to be -4 and 3 and B to be 4 and 5. Let's solve it over here. So again, we already know the formula. x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square, everything under root. So -4 gives me 8, minus 8 and minus 8 square is 64 plus 5 minus 3 gives me -2. -2 is -2 square is 2 square basically, so that's 4. So this gives me 4. So under root 68. My answer should be somewhere near to 8.1 or 8.2. Let's check this out. 8.24 is my answer over here, right? So under root 68 is 8.24. So 8.24 centimeters, meters, kilometers, that is another thing. That will come in the question. But this is basically how you find out your distance, or how you are going to pull off a distance question, right? So I have done 4 questions for you essentially. This one, this one, this one. For the rest of the questions you will have to do, so this is your assignment basically, right? You have to do the midpoint and distances. And guys, remember, always remember, mathematics is all about practice. It is like a scary movie. Now you have to understand this. It is like a scary movie, right? What happens in a scary movie? So for example, I'll give you a very good example over here. Once we were watching this movie, I used to wake up at 3 a.m. every night just thinking that something like that might occur, right? So in any case, but then once again I watched that movie once again with my cousins, and we started making fun of the movie. Oh, look, what is she doing? Is she crazy? Why is she bending, or whatever is happening, right? And when that started happening, it became very funny to us. So what I'm trying to put on over here is, if mathematics you are thinking is scary or it scares you, then it is bad. But if you're thinking that mathematics is good for you, or mathematics is, alright, I mean, let's bring it on, why not? So in that scenario, in that kind of a scenario, it will be a good thing, and you'll be able to deal with it head on. So try to take it that way, and let's figure these questions out. If there are any questions, obviously, you can come back to me and tell me if you're having any troubles.